In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order checks for QuickBooks so you can print professional checks that align perfectly with your setup. Start by opening QuickBooks and confirming you're in the correct company file. If you manage multiple companies, double-check the company name so the right information appears on your checks. From your QuickBooks dashboard, click the New button or the plus icon. From the menu that appears, select Check. This opens the check entry window, the same place you normally record checks. At the bottom of this window, click the Order Checks button. QuickBooks will take you to the official check ordering page designed to match your QuickBooks printing settings. Here, you can select the style of checks that fits your workflow. Voucher checks, one check with two stubs, great for payroll or vendor payments. Multiple checks per page, to save paper. Make sure the checks are compatible with your printer type, laser or inkjet, and if you use window envelopes, select a layout that aligns the address correctly. Pay attention to details like color, security features, and quantity. Security options such as microprint, heat-sensitive ink, and tamper-evident paper can help protect your business from fraud. Double-check that the company name and address on the preview match what you want printed. If you've recently updated your branding or address in QuickBooks, confirm those changes are reflected to avoid reprints. That's it. By clicking New, selecting Check, and using the Order Checks button, you're routed to the correct catalog. Choose the style that fits your workflow and complete your order through the on-screen prompts. If you ever change printers or check styles in the future, repeat these steps to select a format that works best with your new setup. Thanks for watching, and enjoy printing clean, professional checks that integrate seamlessly with QuickBooks.